Well, I've been seeing these little guys, these little Chinese excavators. Never got to actually run one. My neighbor bought one, so he started digging here without me. But I got to play around with this thing and see what they're like. Ride Bucky to bucking Bronco?
Yeah, get after it.
That's about what they're like, right? So you said that's auxiliary?
Yes.
Okay. And that's the blade?
That's the blade. Tracks.
Tracks. And then it looks like it's the backhoe pattern. We got throttle and choke. And no room. Very loud. Very loud and very hot. But the fan's a nice touch. There you know where to put my magnet. one does. Okay. That was embarrassing. Let's see. That thing don't have no power doing that hard stuff. He's getting the hang of it from digging this long, but man, them controls are like totally backwards from everything. There you go. Put me to shame. Oh, it's not only all backwards and weird, but it don't have no power. It won't do what I wanted to do, or what I would normally do.
That's the problem. You're used to your pickup.
Yeah, I'm using what I know my machine can do, and it don't do it. So trying to think outside the box, but I loosened that up for you. I loosened that up for you. I know you guys were talking trash about me over here.
Oh, we were getting a good laugh.
Well, I don't blame you. It was pretty funny. Pretty pathetic is what it was. It's real hard. I know mine would struggle a little bit to dig it, but it would dig it. I didn't even see the need to spin sideways and dump a bucket. There's not enough in it. I like my idea, just dragging it backwards. That was working pretty good for me. Yeah, that's not open matters on at all. So you want to buy a QH13R. Okay. Well, if the ground is soft and easy to move, yeah, sure. I gotta say, he's doing a lot better than I can on the dump truck.
Maybe an hour.
Well, that's not too bad. Yeah. Well, I'm sure if I run lower, I'll get used to it, but it's just, its idiosyncrasies are just so many. Oh, man. What are you guys doing? Come to check it out? Almost got a bucket full. I'll stick with my gal. Definitely not a production machine.
Hard.
Huh?
It is hard.
Oh, that ground is rock hard. Well, you know why? I packed it in with my bulldozer. That's what it was. It's kind of taking a while here.
Yeah, if you're not in any big hurry.
I mean, hey, it did the job, and I mean that ground is super hard. Like you said, you'd need a pickaxe to get that, and you'd be fighting that forever with a shovel and a pickaxe. That's not a fair test. That ground is rock hard. So, and you said it did a lot better up there, right? So,
yep,
that's cool. Yeah, so it's something.
It would have went a lot quicker up there, but that's where we were figuring out the controls.
Yeah. You mean like I was?
Yeah.
Okay. I am embarrassed. That egg on my face on that one. No, it just don't have the power to do what you need it to do for me, and trying to get used to it and trying to figure out what it's capable of doing and not capable of doing.
It's definitely not a commercial machine.
No, but like you said, for homeowners, for pulling around, for getting some few things done, landscaping, that kind of stuff, probably perfect.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, that's our review on it anyway.
Come on! Come on! Come on! You can do it! This ain't no race, man. Maybe if I walk backwards. Maybe if I walk backwards. Maybe if I walk backwards, it'll be a fighting chance.
It gives you time to drink your beer.
Yes, it does. It's an easy pace for an old man to walk.
Oh, yeah.
How many guys does it take to fill a mini?
Too many.
Too many?